Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn how to control brightness of an LED using Arduino UNO board. For that you have to open the software Tinkercad and just select Arduino, drag and drop, select an LED, also a resistor and connect with anode terminal of resistor. Anode you can think like it's a positive terminal of LED and its cathode is negative terminal. And one thing is required, that is potentiometer. Just drag and drop. Let's do first connection of potentiometer. There are three terminals: terminal 1, wiper, and terminal 2. First we will connect terminal 1 to 5 volt of Arduino and wiper with A0 pin or analog pin of Arduino, and a terminal second that will be connected to ground pin of Arduino. You can change the color of these wires here. You can use red if you want. Terminal 2 is ground. I am using it as black. In this way you can change the color. Here you can use any one of these 6 PWM pin because we are going to control brightness of an LED. That's why we need to use analog PWM pin of Arduino. I am using pin number 3 and changing its color with orange. You can change according to your choice, and cathode will be connected with ground. Again change the color with green. Here our circuit portion is completed. Now we need to write a code for this. I will come to editor mode. There are three modes: blocks plus text and text. I will use text. Just click continue, and I am writing code for this. First we will take a variable called LED and we have connected it with pin number 3, and we will define a global variable called data to store the value from our potentiometer, and we need to create void setup, open and close bracket, open curly bracket, close curly bracket, and just expand this. Here we need to define the pin of Arduino, how we are using it. LED, we are using it as a output, so we will write output. Must remember, you have to write output as capital letter, and just copying, paste it here, and we will use A0 analog pin. Just a second, A0, and we are using it as input because we are reading data on Arduino and the data is coming from our potentiometer. We are done. We also execute serial monitor. Serial dot begin to initialize serial monitor, and we set baud rate 9600. It is the speed of 9600, and now here we need to create our loop, so we will use while loop. open and close curly bracket. Here we will store our value. From there we will use a function called analog read. We are storing value, and the value will come on pin number 0. A0 means analog pin 0, and we store it in our variable we have created earlier here, integer data type. And now we have just a single thing to write we are going to write a function analog write. It will help us to glue or control the brightness of our LED. That's why we are using analog write function. Here we will have to give pin number. Pin number is our LED. LED means pin number 3. Sorry, pin number 3, and we are using it as output, but due to its analog value we will store this value. According to this value, whatever changes will happen in this value, it will control the brightness of LED in this way. Now our coding part is done. Just a second, I bring it here so that it will look. Here start simulation. Just wait. Pin mode LED. Oh, here we did some mistake. Not mistake here. Register value will be just in ohm, and we will execute it. You can see LED is glowing, and if you want to change its value, now you will see it is on 0 condition, means almost LED brightness is low, and we are not able to see this on serial monitor, because we will have to use function serial.print, and we will print our value on this. Just wait. Serial.print ln, and the printing value will be stored in data. And now let's simulate it. You can see it's providing value 2, and accordingly it is changing the brightness. As I am increasing the value of potentiometer here, you can see brightness of LED is increasing. Now we are on almost full strength of this. You can see the it is on full brightness, and if you want to change, it is taking till value 2. So in this way this project is done. Thank you for watching this video, and please